In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage Hostinger CDN for fast load times. The key to an optimal website experience lies in ensuring that your site loads swiftly, keeping visitors engaged and happy. And one of the best tools at your disposal to achieve this is Hostinger's CDN, a content delivery network designed to dramatically enhance your site's performance. First, you'll want to head over to the Hostinger website. This is your jump-off point to unlocking the potential of your site's speed. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your account. Having access to your dashboard is crucial, as it will provide you with all the tools you'll need to make these enhancements. Now remember, a fast website can significantly impact user experience and can also improve your search engine rankings. So this process is definitely worth your while. Once you're logged in, find your way to the Manage section. This is where you can oversee everything related to your website. Clicking on Manage will open up a host of options that allow you to control various elements of your website's setup and performance. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this dashboard, as it will become your central hub for all website-related tasks. Next, we're going to make our way to the performance settings. Here, you want to click on the CDN option. The CDN section is where all the magic happens. This network of servers across the globe will take your site's data and distribute it to users at lightning speed, regardless of their physical location. The closer a server is to your user, the faster your website will load for them. This is crucial for keeping your global audience engaged and for ensuring a seamless experience on your site. Now that we're in the CDN settings, you can make the necessary adjustments to improve your site's speed. Here, you can toggle different settings to suit your specific needs. Hostinger may provide options that allow you to customize how your content is cached or how it's delivered. Take your time to explore these settings. You want to strike the perfect balance between speed and functionality for your users. Always double check to ensure that all settings align with the type of content you offer and the geographic distribution of your audience. By following these steps, you'll harness the full power of Hostinger's CDN to ensure your website delivers fast and efficiently to your visitors. Remember, a quick and responsive site is a key component of a successful online presence. Go ahead and give it a try and watch your website performance reach new heights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.